Athrawon for Ysgol Aberaeron i'r pabell Morfwyta. Teacher from Aberaeron to first aid tent, please. Aberaeron, teacher from Aberaeron School to first aid tent at the bottom, please. Dau bagian i cael dau bagian 6 number 2, please. Third, please.
Hand! Kick! Outside!
Go!
Hand! Hey, pick and go's not good enough. Catch and pass. Abby, go take it to the scrum. Go on, tackle, tackle. Let's go. Hey, set up. Let's go. Gotta catch a pass, but I'll fall into space, okay? Ellie, get in the middle. Let's go. Emily, push up. On it, come across. Lucy, this side. Go on it, go! Ups, you okay? Ankle? Knee? No. He's winning. On it, keep running. You're kicking off, ladies. Els, we're kicking off. Clear. Okay. keep working! Go, Abby, go! Go, Abby, go!
Get my drink, it's over there.
Okay, head up, let's go, get tight. Hey, wait, wait. Oh no, when you're ready.
Hey, no crunch.
Hey, get inside. Really, let somebody go there. Okay, keep that line, close up, come on, close. Line. Let's go! Ellie Rose, let's run! Let's go, Ellie! Let's go close! Outside, Ellie, outside!
You're not spreading.
Outside! That's down the middle. Listen to what I'm bloody saying. Ellie, outside, not down the middle. Outside, go around them. Let's go. Gina, let's go. Around them, Ellie. Outside, let's go. Go! Pete!
Nice.
Oh, great feet, Els. Cycle, well done.
Okay?
Excellent.
Okay.
Stay on, Ellie. Great tackle. Els, fab work. Keep working hard. Great work.
Yeah.
Let's go, line out. Dion.
It goes with at least one more in.
Dion, like this. Stand like that. Just grab her as soon as he comes in.
We should go five both sides.
Go. Go! Go on her, go! Go! Keep working, no long left, keep working!
Felly gêm yn nesaf yn cael ei wario am 20 munud bedwar. Five team. Pick number 1. Felix Leg, Nebyn, Bromerdyn. Kyrie 2, pitch number 2. Samuel Boys on Tara Boys. Kyrie 3, pitch number 3. Broeden Boys, Avon Tara Boys. Kyrie Ian, pitch number 1.
Step in! Go, Jane!
Bwriad i'r cyhoeddiad gwella.
Sorry, John John's pass.
chwarae nesaf am 20 munud I 3, playing next at 20-3. A Kyle Dean,
Keep going.
pitch number 1, Glanmore boys, Taylor fans boys. Kyle Star, pitch number 2, Kenneth fans boys, Bonfire boys. Kyle 3, pitch number 3, Port boys, Sloan boys. Kyle Pedwar, pitch number 4, Rister Easton. Kyle Square, pitch number 6,
Through this side, one that side. Scoop.
Kyle 5, pitch number 7, Gweneville boys, Whitchurch boys. Kyle Revoice, pitch number 8, Beasley boys, Bromalian boys. Kyle now, pitch number 9, Stanwell boys and Cars boys. Kyle K, pitch number 10, Roedden boys, Cumtars boys. Avon Cars boys.
Hands! Give, Emily, give! Pop! Give! Keep it alive! Go on it! Run! So you got whacked with the road wall.
Why would you be proud of that?
I'm always proud of you boys.
That's what my dad always tells me, but I know he's not. He said, take your heart. You know, Tash got son.
You had a good day out there.
So proud of you. Better than lessons anyway. It's fine.
Want to ring you for next year then?
I missed you.
Want to ring for this next year?
Go Ellie outside!
Oh,
Good hands! And roll the
You
ball!
heard that?
Again, fix your gift, go!
See the best face as well.
What a catch.
It's gone better. They've got better hands. Off a good final or a dead final.
Yeah, right, come on then. It's better than us in the good. Get the ball, get the ball. Look at better hands than us.
That